Here I'll be showing you guys a new market, a new platform that actually joined the Nigerian markets very some hours ago, I think. And yes guys, so this platform is actually a platform that will actually make you cool cash daily for yourself. And with that being said, and without much ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. And in this video right now, I'll be showing you guys how you can literally make money with it. And to my 20 subscribers, welcome back. So let's get into the video, guys. Welcome back, guys. So in this video right now, this is the platform that would actually pay you to actually do these little jobs online. And the name of this platform is actually called Deepverse. Yes guys, so Deepverse is actually a platform that will actually pay you online right now, right here, to actually play games. And I'll be showing you guys right now, instead of losing your cash to all other betting platforms online, you can actually come here to stake responsibly, stake wisely, and please don't forget that you should actually do your own diligent research before actually making go or signing up to these platforms or anything. So guys, let's get into it, and let's go. Welcome back, guys, and this is the platform which I'm talking about, which is actually Deepverse. Yes guys, so if you just click on the first link in the description box below, it's going to take you to this Deepverse platform. Yes guys, so when you just click on it, it's going to tell you to sign up, and please don't forget to use my my referral link is actually in the description box below. The first link is description box below. So the only thing you just got to do is just to click on the sign up button, and as you can see it at the top right corner up there. Okay, so let me show you guys this. Okay, so this is it here, the top right corner, and let's click on the sign up button right now. So it literally takes some time to load up, and you just put in your details right here, your email address, your preferred login password, then you put your login password again, and then you create your account. Or you can even create it with using Google or all the social media handles, as you can see them. Okay, I'm just gonna write it right now. I can see them here, right here. You just do your preferred sign up method. Yes guys, so let's just log into our account right now to show you how this platform actually works. So that is my login details, and I just click on sign in and voila, it's actually signed me in right now within some twinkling of an eye. And yes guys, so firstly you need to know that you have to actually sign up, and if you just go to the top right corner, that wallet button actually shows up there. So this wallet button that actually shows up there, just click it up, and then you deposit to this platform. And it's actually a Nigerian stuff, and as you can see it here, the minimum amount to deposit is actually 1,000 naira, and the maximum to deposit is actually I think 10 million naira. Yes guys, so 10 million naira. Okay guys, so let's show you how I actually deposited. So you can actually deposit, and you just type in the amount here. So let me just just type in the amount here, and then you click on buy, and then within some twinkling of an eye, it just take you to where you can actually do it. Then you upload your proofs of payment, and voila, you'll see your cash within some minutes. And if you want to actually withdraw your cash also, you come to this button here. Let me show you the withdraw button. So this is actually the withdrawal space, the withdrawal button. You just click it up here. It's going to take you to a space where you can actually withdraw your cash. As you can see it here, this is it, and you just choose your network. As you can see it up here, either WOW or 6. So it's actually the WOW stuff. So as you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is actually 3,000 naira, and yeah, I literally have up to 3,000 naira, but I don't want to actually withdraw. So you can see it here, this is how to do it. And let me show you guys how to actually play these games. So there are a whole lot of games for you to actually play this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 games for you to actually play. This is Kennel game, Whale game, Classic Dice, Kennel, Single, Hash Dice, and Crash. So I literally love the Crash game so much. I love this Crash, which is 999x Crash. So let's click it up there and wait for it to actually load up. Give it a while for it to actually load up, and we are going to be showing you guys how you can actually make cash from this platform. And you can actually deposit, you can actually stake these games with a little amount of money. Yes guys, but first of all, you need to know that you go and Okay, so as you can see it here, you just click on the amount of money you want to actually stake the game with, and then as these guys, you just click on this bet button, this red bet button here, and as this guy is actually going up, don't forget to actually cut it up, cut the stuff before these rockets, before the rocket actually stops. So as you can see here, I did actually stake the game. I have gotten over 10x of my cash right now, right here. So as you can see, that's how it keeps on going, and it crashed at around 17. So I didn't mean I crashed it around 15, and as you can see, I made 15 times my money. So let's say I staked 1,000 naira, that's 15 times my money, that's 15,000 naira. So that's literally it for this stuff. I'm sure most of you actually understand. I'm sure you guys understand what I'm talking about. So let me show you guys and my withdrawal. So let's go back right now and show you guys my withdrawal stuff. Give it a while, sorry. Okay, so let's go back. Sorry, let's go back. I've known how to actually. So I just go to the top here and go to transactions. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Okay, so as you can see here, I literally deposited 3,000 naira yesterday, and which is the 31st of this month, and today is actually first. Yes, 31st of last month, around 8 in the night, and it's actually success. 3,000 naira. I just deposited to show you guys how it actually worked. Yes, guys. So that's literally how to do it. And you just come to your withdrawal when you have won a when you want to actually withdraw your cash, just go to the withdrawal button and withdraw your cash directly into your local bank account. So that's it for that. That's it for this video. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you actually love what I do here, and also subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever another money making video is being published to this channel. With that being said, guys, and without much ado, that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and peace out.